like we're back. And if I'm not mistaken, last pack. So this is gonna be really, really good. It's gonna be really, really awkward. I think that this is a package from the good people over at Revzilla Gin. So I'm gonna open it. But what if it's not? Because I'm looking on it, and the last package actually said Revzilla. This one says something weird. But either way, I think I know what it is. Feels like something I know what it is. But let's get right into it. Let's see. And yep, I was right. These are the Sedici Misano gloves, size medium. So, good people over at Revzilla sent these to me. In case you didn't know, it's because I'm a brand ambassador. But I already have a lot of gear. So they asked me, hey, well, what do you want? What could you use? I said, well, you know, I could use this, I could use that. And they said, well, how about Sedici's Misano gloves? So I said, okay. I mean, look at these things. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Actually, so I got them in a, I believe a size medium. Yep, size medium. I don't wear gloves with a watch, so let's take these off. But I got them in a size medium, and it's gonna be awesome to see how they fare with my, oh, that feels good. Give me a minute. So, that feels really good. A little snug, but it'll break in. Like I said, I already have gloves, but you never have too many, right? And the greatest thing about it is these are shorties. They feel, I'm not gonna lie, I know some of you are probably thinking that, hey, it's because like he had them sent to him and he's a brand ambassador. These feel really good, like really good. I don't feel any pinching, I don't feel any binding. I feel like it's got good dexterity, and then the protection is there too. So there's like a cross weave stickier area that's here on the inside, you know, so you can stay light on the throttle but still be able to hold it in place. It's got sliders across the meaty portion of the palm, armor across the knuckles, good flexibility in it, doesn't feel restrictive. I think, oh, wait 1 second. One more second. All right, so my normal everyday glove is this, the Dainese, I believe it's the Race Pro N glove, titanium back plate, plenty of armor, just armor everywhere and just technology out the wazoo. But I think I'll check on this, or maybe I won't check on it, but either way you can look it up. I believe this glove, when I got it about 2 years ago, this glove was a over $200 glove. Ouch. But I have zero complaints about it. Zero complaints about it. And I've had it for 2 years and it is really, really held up. Probably should wash those, but it's really, really held up. So I think what'll be good is to test these two against each other, because this Dainese glove obviously fits like a glove. One, because it is a really, really good glove. but 2, because of how long I've had it. So this glove is gonna feel great to me. Like when I put it on, I can tell this right here needs to be broken in no matter what. But like feeling it, like I can feel that this is gonna still be a really, really good glove. And for the price point, I mean, this is a $200+ glove, which I've had for about 2 years, but it has never let me down. I've never went down in it, but the break-in period for it was very, very easy. It was very quick. Had literally no issues with breaking this glove in, and now it feels, I mean, other than little stuff, it's funny that it's on my middle finger, but other than little stuff like that where it's kind of fraying and some of the coloring is chipping off and everything like that, but as far as the glove still being functional, it's still plenty functional. I've got plenty of feel and everything like that. Hands don't go to sleep, no pinch points, so I'm good. This glove here, like I said before, is Sedici Misano glove, and it feels at first glance just as good. And get this, this is a $99 glove. $100 bucks. 100 over 200. 100 over 200. And don't get me wrong, protection-wise, both of them protection stops, you know, right after your wrist and everything. This is a in glove, so it's meant to go underneath my jacket, and so you know it fits everything I need to be able to go into the track, hit a few track days and everything, hit some canyon ride and stuff like that. This feels, like I said, just as good. Should be able to fit up under my jacket, no problem. We'll see how that goes. Doesn't have the same mechanism, but like I said, we'll see how that goes. Everything else in it feels outstanding. So I think that's what I'll do. I think what I'll do is I'll do a, probably take a few rides in this one. Once I'm in Southern California and it's been raining, Southern California, for whatever reason, knock it off. Let's bring the good weather back. But either way, I'll take this for a few rides, see how it feels, see how it fares. I will say it feels a little bit thicker off the back, so I feel like my hand may get a little bit warmer in this glove, but that may be something that goes away with the break-in. But as far as protection and everything else, aside from not having a backing plate on the back side of the hand, then aside from that, then it has protection in just about every single area that the Danese glove has protection in. The other thing that I'll say that first sticks out is the fact that on the Danese glove, I'm not sure if you can see that. Let's see. Yeah, so right here on the Danese glove, there's these little fingers, and what they do is they actually help with cutting down vibration going through your hand from the handlebars. But can I say they actually work? I really don't know. That's one good thing you're gonna get from me is honest reviews, no matter what. But either way, like I said, I'm gonna take this thing, $99 glove goes up against over $200 glove, and we'll see how that goes, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited. The other thing you can always expect is, I'm not gonna lie about what I tell you. If I end up putting this glove on, I go for a little bit of ride and my hand starts going to sleep or whatever, and I realize that it's crap, I'm gonna tell you that it's crap, but I don't think it's gonna be that way. This is really, really nice. Like, really nice. So, either way, there you have it. Once again, thanks to the great team over at Revzilla and promoting the Kimono brand. Didn't need them, but I got them. Got gloves, and look at them. Like, I mean, look at that colorway. It actually looks really, I hope that comes across on camera. But it actually looks really, really good. So you can pick these up at Revzilla. You can pick them up at Cycle Gear. A few other places that they have, which had a discount code for you guys because I'd give you that. But I don't really think you need it because, again, this is a $100 glove. Either way, stay tuned. I'll get back with you guys and we will do a review on the Sedici Misano $100 glove going up against the mammoth Bohemian Danese Race Pro Imp. Thanks, guys.